My favorite memory from culinary school was when we had a quick fire challenge and one of the kids in our class tried to French a rack of rabbit, and it was like he was trying to French toothpicks, and it was very funny. I loved food growing up. My mom's a great cook. We were the kind of family that planned all of our travel around, 8 to 12 meals a day. But I didn't really think about it professionally until I was in college, and I tried on lots of different hats. I worked on the line in restaurants. I worked as a personal chef. I wrote for a small local paper right outside of Boston, and then when I got an internship at Cooks Illustrated in their test kitchen, that was like, this is home. So I chose ice very specifically. I looked at all the others. Ice was flexible. I had already gone to college. I didn't need another kind of college experience. I knew I didn't want to work in restaurant kitchens, which was pretty rare going to culinary school at the time. And nobody other than Ice was really offering the opportunity to do an externship at a food magazine. I think culinary school informed my career by teaching me that you just take every opportunity thrown at you. And every stage that came around, every James Beard house, go and cook, I took every opportunity to have a conversation. And you could have 50 experiences that lead to nothing, but the one that gets you in the door is totally worth it. I think my biggest professional achievement is definitely being part of the small team that opened the Dash Meredith, now People Inc. Food Studios in Birmingham, Alabama. And it was our goal to kind of hub test kitchens for an entire company's worth of brands. It was over 30 brands at the time, and do all of the recipe development, food photography, food styling in one place. I think I was successful because I didn't stick to the way that we had always done things. I kind of looked for where the change was coming and then made myself indispensable to the change rather than being a roadblock to it. My number one advice for aspiring food professionals, particularly for food media, would be to get digital experience. So even if you want to write heady essays that are going to be included in like the next great food writing book, I would say you need to have some data analytics under your belt in order to be relevant.